Hello everyone, thank you so much for being a part of Haksar English Club. In today's online tutorial, I am going to guide you steps to learn English for beginners level. If you are beginner level, this video is especially for you. We were English lovers and English language, there are different steps for beginner levels. Now I am going to guide you step by step, one by one. Step number first. Beginner level students should learn all the alphabet. Vowels letters, consonant letters, semi-vowel letters. These all letters should be learned by beginner levels. That may help to improve their skill, to improve their English fluency. Also, beginner level students should learn all the basic words. The words that we are using in our daily conversation, in our day-to-day life, must be learned by beginner levels. For example, words for the body, words for the kitchen, and words for the different categories. All the basic words, all the basic terminologies must be learned by beginner levels student. Step number second. Beginner level students should learn all the daily sentences. The sentences that we are using in our daily conversation, in our day-to-day life, must be learned by beginner level student. These daily sentences that we are using in our daily conversation may help beginner level student to improve their English skills, to improve their fluency. So must learn all these daily sentences. It may help you to improve your skills, to improve your English fluency. And step number three, practice. We were English lovers. The more you practice, the more you will improve your English skills. The more you will improve your English fluency. In English language, we can say that practice makes a man perfect. Those who are practicing English language, they are learning more according to those who are not practicing. So beginner level student should practice a lot. They should practice on daily words. They should practice on daily sentences. Step number four, think in English. We were English lovers. The way we are thinking in our native language, we must think in English language as well. For example, in our native language, we think that here, which tense should I use? Should I use past tense? Should I use present tense? Or should I use future tense? This way, we should also think in English language. It will help you a lot to improve your English fluency, to improve your English skills. Step number five, reading. Reading plays a very crucial role to improve your skills, to improve your English fluency. Try to read the novels, try to read the short books, try to read short stories. It will help you to improve your reading as well and to improve your English fluency as well. And the last step, speaking. All beginner level students should speak more. Speaking will improve your skills. Speaking will improve your English fluency. All those who speak more, they learn more. So this was all the informations, steps to learn English for beginners level. So this was all the information for beginners level student. I hope you have learned something from this video. Stay blessed. Goodbye. Thank you.